Welcome back right now, 7:41 on the Sunday morning. Mild start and offshore wind. We're watching that closely, and still some ongoing smoke from the fire there burning the Home Depot warehouse fire. You can see the smoke has dissipated quite a bit from yesterday, but still with that west-northwest wind. If you can smell the smoke just off to the south and east of that area, you probably want to stay indoors. We're still seeing moderate air quality levels in that area this morning. Right now in Dublin, 53 degrees. You got 21% humidity, very dry around the inland Tri-Valley this morning, and 52 currently in San Francisco as we have the microclimate weather alert for dry, gusty offshore winds. North Bay Mountains have had wind gusts over 50 miles per hour this morning, but notice the transition for the afternoon where the red and purple change direction for later today. That is the return of an onshore breeze. So the dry offshore wind starts to back off around lunchtime, but towards late afternoon and evening, gusty conditions here on the coast in the inner bay as that sea breeze starts to pick up. So gusty, dry hills for the morning, temperatures in the 40s and 50s. By around midday, we should see mid to upper 60s inland, and then probably cooling temperatures near San Francisco and the coast starting up around 3 and 4 o'clock in the afternoon as winds change direction. That onshore breeze also part of the windy action offshore, which is pushing the long period swell to the coast. High surf advisory on top of everything else we've got going on today. That will drop by about 3 o'clock this afternoon, so watch out for sneaker waves and large breakers on the coast. Now here's your Monday forecast. Monday morning, the rain passes through. Right there about lunchtime, we should see clearing skies. So pretty fast moving weather system. It will be colder tomorrow too. Highs in the 50s and maybe as much as a quarter-inch of rain in a few areas. I think probably the Santa Cruz Mountains or some of the hills would see the better totals as that system moves out. But it does have that cold air support, so this is great news for the Sierra. Could see more than a foot of snow with this first round coming through for tomorrow into Tuesday. Then watch what happens on the extended forecast. Better news here as we head towards the middle part of the week. North Bay probably by Wednesday sees a chance of seeing that rain coming back. Then I think it's Thursday into Friday, and then possibly into early Saturday. These rain chances should be ongoing. Right now, Friday could have some pretty solid rain totals, maybe more than an inch of rain out of that for parts of the North Bay as we wrap up the week. So this can't come soon enough. With all the fire danger we're having, red flag warning up for Solano County through 5 o'clock today. Just like that, the rain comes back for tomorrow morning, and a big drop in temperatures. It's not a typo. 70s inland today to 50s tomorrow, so that's good news. That's why the Sierra is getting the snow that we're expecting there through about Tuesday, and then more chances Wednesday night into Thursday, and then Friday into Saturday. Just like that, April giving us some good rain chances as we go through the week.
Things